Yes, today is the third part where we will discuss about the currency balancing through liquidity. Means we have seen that globally most of the central banks have infused liquidity through bond buying, currency printing, and rate cards and other instruments too. So basically the comparison to one currency to other remains same when all the countries are adding liquidity accommodatively. So now the thing is, suppose for an example, if I discuss with country A, we will see the whole slides at the end. Suppose country A having currency of rupees 100 of quantity 100. I am taking only one currency as a rupee for the better understanding. Suppose country A having 100 rupee note of 100 quantity. Country B having 50 rupee note of 100 quantity. And country C having 20 rupee note of 100 quantity. It's coming to the worthiness of each and every country, and currency denomination means 100, 50 and 20 according to the developed country, developing country and underdeveloped country. So if every country, if central bank of every country keep on adding liquidity into the same ratio where they stands, means 100 rupee into 100 equals to 50 rupee into 100 equals to, and 20 rupee into 100 equals to. If it comes with a same proportion liquidity, means the amount of worthiness will get reduced, but we can't see the currency getting depreciated against any other currency. As we see, we always compare our currency against US dollar, and US dollar index is compared against euro of European Union and pound of UK and Japanese yen and other developed countries. If all the countries add their liquidity in the same proportionate, in same proportion where they were standing before adding liquidity, then we can't see the devaluation of currency against the other. In that case, what we see as a 100 rupee today, it was actually 80 rupees. If 20% capital is added throughout the global banks. Why global banks have decided to add such a huge amount of capital? Because number of population is growing up, man. So everybody, and the substantial part of capital is getting into blockage. not getting rotate, not getting rotate into the economy. So people of underdeveloped segment, people who are not who are not who are below the poverty line, and middle class people not having that much amount to spend. So naturally there is a political crisis over each and every leader, global leaders. They are all facing of deficiency and in all the respect, because rich people are very less percentage compared to the common people. So if common people don't have the comfortable position in the finance, if they are not in comfortably living, if they are facing deficiency of money every day, so we have to either way add money to remove the crisis, and there are other reasons to justify, like debt on the balance sheet. Yes, that is a major factor, but debt on the balance sheet comes with from the bottom of the pyramid that I have said right now, that common people, underdeveloped people, this way the debt is coming. They can't pay back their money to the banks and all, and country are having debt in World Bank. In the context of the countries also, the underdeveloped country, developing country having larger amount of debt than developed countries in their balance sheets. So one other way, when developed countries and developing countries together raise the value of precious assets to compensate the debt part of the balance sheet. That is a way, but in a day-to-day life, in the common people's life and political environment, to stable the political environment, they are very much fond of adding liquidity. That's why we see the liquidity in the market, and we can say, wow, that was 100 rupees kg 4 months back. Now it's 120-25 rupees kg now. But it looks like 125 per kg, but it is actually 100 rupees per kg. It looks figure 125, but it's actually 120, because the liquidity has been added. So this is the actual fact, and let's see how Trump administration handle before election the situations of liquidity, because I have said earlier too that if dollar index remains strong and commodity goes down, commodity price remains down because of strong dollar index, that is very much expected prior to the US election, then it will be difficult to maintain liquidity that has been infused. Maybe an additional one will be taken care just before the election to maintain the part. That much for today. Let's see for the next part 4. Thank you.